Hi beach, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a technology related unboxing for you. It is a super cute vintage retro styled Bluetooth speaker called the Muzen Audio, and I will be unboxing the metal OTR style. I am actually in significant need for a portable Bluetooth speaker, that is. So I wanted to open it in front of you guys and give you some of my first impressions. I also thought this would be a really ideal opportunity to talk about some of the kinds of music that I like to listen to. I don't really know if you're interested in learning that about me, but I thought I would offer that information up anyway. Let's get this baby out. And obviously I'm wearing my annual butter hoodie, you know, because I love me some Annual and Carol G, J Baldwin. I like a lot of reggaeton music, Latin, reggaeton, anything in Spanish. Oh, that's cute. I pulled it right out of the box like this. I did not expect that. Look how cute this is. I'm all about packaging. Okay. I'm so excited. It says, "Let's rock and road." Very punny. Very me. So it comes in this drawstring bag. Probably the easiest piece of technology I've ever unboxed. Oh, look at this case. So like super vintage. Look how pretty that is. Look, it's like a little suitcase for your Bluetooth. And I actually got it in a black color too, because I thought it would, that for me, I like very conventional colors that can go with anything when it comes to technology. And I figured you can't go wrong with all black and gold, of course. Now if figure out how to open this. Okay, I'm gonna open it this way for you guys. How? Watch me struggle. So this is how it opens. I just struggle because I have very delicate hands. What do you guys see? Oh, there's stuff. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, that's so nice, you guys. There's like stickers in the back, and then they even put like a little cushion in here to protect it. Look, how cute is that? Oh, I love that. Hi. Let me make sure you guys get all the views. Look, it's so little. Like a little portable radio. This is a really nice thick like carrying strap too. There's more. Wow, okay, there's more stuff under this. So this is where it was sitting in, and it was being held in by this band, and then I pick it up and look, it comes with a letter. Let's open the letter, you guys. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Oh, it's the manual and everything. Cool. So it comes with a pouch and carrying case, and then obviously everything that you need to charge and hook it up. It's the manual, and it's like a little packing list. Obviously this is the little Muzen. I love this little hand strap on it. Like, that's so nice. And this is the strap that it goes with, so you can actually carry it on your persons like it's like a little like bag. So let's put this strap on first.
Many hours later.
You guys, I'm an idiot. I don't know why it took me this long to figure out how to put the strap on. I was just afraid to break anything, and I'm not gonna break anything. To put the straps on, you have to unscrew these bolts on the side. So I already had taken this one off, and I don't know why that was so hard for me to figure out. Now I can wear it. How exciting is that? You don't understand my technology struggle. I have a pet bunny. She eats anything and everything with a cord. I need something like this that she can't fully destroy with her mouth. Let's turn this baby on. Okay, so on this dial, it has a Bluetooth pairing option. That is aux cord, FM. The innermost dial here, that is your volume dial. This is what you would use to adjust the radio. So let's see what's cracking. It's the radio. Oh my God. Isn't that so clear? Hold on. That's not even all the way loud. B! My bunny is horrified right now. I'm gonna turn it as high as I can without horrifying her and traumatizing me anymore. B, we lit! Oh, let's try it with the Bluetooth. Hold on, let's do the Bluetooth. This is good. So when I go to work, this is so embarrassing. When I go to work, I literally play music on my phone and put my phone in the cup holder so it could project out as much as humanly possible when I'm driving to work, or anywhere for that matter. But now I'm gonna have this with me, and I'm so excited, and it's gonna be lit in my car again. Oh, I'm so janky. We gonna Bluetooth this baby. Oh, we Bluetooth in it. Okay, so when you're trying to pair it with Bluetooth, it's blinking white, and it's on my phone. I don't even know if you can see it. It's like at the top. And let's play some music. I told you guys I love my Spanish Latin music. Oh, beach. This is my jam recently. Ozuna. We lit. That is my jam right now. So let's go over some of the places that I will be using it. B and I will obviously be using it very frequently in the house, right, B? You want to listen to more Latin music to shake your fat butt for the people? Yes, that's what we gonna do. I'm gonna be able to use it in my car when I'm playing Xbox. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We're gonna use it when mommy is cleaning and doing laundry. Right, B? Because we never leave my apartment ever. I guarantee you I'm gonna end up getting one for my nephew. I think he would absolutely love one of these. You know, when you go to the gym to go play basketball and shoot around or whatever, and you want some tunes? Yeah, especially if you're outside. Yeah, it's about to be lit, right, B? You can't. Let mommy love you. You wanted to, she always wants to be a part of my videos.
You lie! You lie!
You guys, this Bluetooth speaker is everything. Y'all need to get one. And you can get one. You can use discount code CCKAY on screen right now for 15% off your Muzen audio purchase. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know it's a little something different. So you should definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of the product, the packaging, the features that come along with it, what you thought of the audio and clarity of the audio. So remember to like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and of course, remember to watch the curve on your way out.